something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, damn, I know.
What's down? What's good? What's poppin'? It's your girl Tara. You say welcome back to my channel.
Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play.
Y'all, it's early. But I gotta make it to work and Alani gotta make it to school. So right now it is 6:24. As y'all can see, I've already wasted 24 minutes on my phone using the bathroom. Now I'm about to get ready to brush my teeth and wash my face. I already took my shower last night, so I'm gonna just, freshen up this morning, or I might take a whole shower. It depends, because it really all depends. But realistically, I might just end up freshening up for work. Y'all know how that go. And I'm gonna re-put on these press-ons that I had on that I took off. I'm gonna put them on. Yeah, so let me brush my teeth because I am in a time crunch, thanks to me. Can't blame nobody but myself. So let me hurry up, get this out the way.
Let's get it. I'm off a 16 passenger. This is G5. No, this not a challenger. Big one. I keep some members with me in the fridge. Get coke seats, stay some cannibals. Eaters. They like to geek. Drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat.
Good morning, Mama. You gotta get up for school. You got donuts? Yeah. You want donuts? Yeah. Okay, baby. She want her breakfast.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Yeah. Human made don't need like me. Waves don't need no grease. Chains don't need no grease. No oil stains don't mean no screech. Big old AK in my brief. That bitch stay on me like jeans. Brand new J's ain't got no crease. My day-to-day fits be too clean. Whips, check out the handle. Switch, swoosh. Niggas don't miss. Aria just added a ton of y'all niggas on my list. Death wish, not to be messed with. Test it quick. Bitch, shooting shots, hitting bricks. Niggas be testing the kid. So many rats in my crib. When I gotta leave that for my kids. Cat in my rib, except for my rib. Telling my jit that they daddy's a pinch. If I die, tell them they know it's legit. All of these hoes on my past, be lucky to smash them again. I pack with they friends, 18 and plus, 21 up. I'm savage again. Stack on your wig like fashion. Look how he matching again. Now that is a trend. I'm blasting. Aim at your cabbage. Splat on your trench. The color of radish. Whips, check out the handle. Swish, swoosh. Niggas don't miss. Aria just added.
That's nuts, Billy.
Yeah, cause girls is players too. Yeah, cause girls is players too. Cause girls is players too. Just getting money all around the world, cause girls is players too. What you know about living on a...
Alright, y'all, I was just making a TikTok because I'm thinking about doing a get ready with me for work or a work day in my life TikTok video or whatever the situation is. I'm not sure yet, but I'm just making a content for right now. So I'm about to get probably Alani dressed first and then get me dressed. Y'all not gonna see much of Alani because I don't want y'all to know what school she goes to, and her school is very big on her shirt. So I'll show me her combing her hair. Y'all gonna see mainly on me, that's all I'm saying. Alright, y'all, I'm going to be wearing this lotion. It is the EOS Coconut Waters lotion. And EOS is definitely my favorite lotion brand. And my pink cashmere, which is old Bath and Body Works spray. But it smells so good. I'll show y'all what the fit is looking like. The way I need a new bra, but this is the shirt. And these are the pants. As y'all know, I have like an office job, so look, I'm trying, okay?
Bitch, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big D energy. It ain't too many niggas that can handle me, but I might let you try it off the Hennessy. Make them sing to this pussy like a melody. And if your bitch ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many niggas that can handle me. Bad bitch, I could be a fantasy. Tell me how you want it. 3, 2, 1, and I'm on it. Feel good, don't it? Good bitch, fuck you in a bunny. I'ma bust it on the pole like honest. I'm just being honest. Pussy juicy, mini made, but can't do it 1 minute, man. Not a side or a main. I'm the only bitch he entertain. Spending his mind in the bank. I like what I see. A boss like you need a boss like me. Daddy from the street, so he move low key. Tryna rock that mic like karaoke. On the count of 3, bad bitch, you get money. Broke niggas to the left, we don't want it. I'm the one these bitches hate, but they can't get past. Pretty face, no waist, and a big old.
These are the vitamins that Alani take. It's the little Flintstone gummies. You want your vitamin?
Yes.
Here you go. No, what color is that?
Orange.
High five. Wow. Last step of the day. Take my hair loose.
And wash it over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby,
Let's get it. Hop off a 16 passenger. This a G5, no, this not a challenger. Big one. I keep some members with me in the fridge. Get coke seats, they some cannibals. Eaters. They like to geek. Drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. Damn. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. When she say she's saying 3D, I go on a.
Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play.
She say she's saying 3D. I go in the jungle and ain't got a coat. I bet I come out with a mean. Do this shit for the fam, cause this shit bigger than me. Color stones in my infinity link. And in the factory masterpiece. I call him twin, could that be my brother? We got the same roller, he matching me. Nah, for real.
Water on me like the sun of sun. Carrots, sun, pointers. All these commas, I want fun. Me go gunners out the jump. Me buy it all, fuck a front. Fuck nigga, cake on me, no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gon' chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot. Take 3 vibe to the tropics. Nigga one shit. I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick. Nigga made one wrong move, just popping. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby. It's crowded. Diamonds be dancing like Bobby. They dance. Don't touch a dick like it be cocky. Don't touch it. Shroom and G at the party. We get it. Bitch, it gon' trend on the top. He trending. The way I pull up, I'ma pop it, and none of these niggas gon' stop me. Pull up, gone. Put that shit on, get a cup for the drip on my motherfucking 5. Keep low. Keep stacking your bank and get bigger. Never would. I throw some shade on no nigga. On team. Little nigga, don't play with these niggas. I see the big picture. We up on these niggas. The huncho, the one you gon' call on me, nigga. I got your back, you gon' follow me, nigga. When I get up, we gon' ball on these niggas. Fucking shit up, cause we beat out the system. Water on me like the sun of sun. Carrots, sun, pointers. All these commas, I want fun. Me go gunners out the jump. Me buy it all, fuck a front. Fuck nigga, cake on me, no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gon' chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot. Take 3 vibe to the tropics. Nigga one shit. I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick. Nigga made one wrong move, just popping. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby.